Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al, not in the loft, I'm in the kitchen, and I've treated myself again, so here we go. That won't be long before that's in place. Let's put that out of the way because the postman's been today. It's a bit like Christmas all over again. Let's see what we got. This is number one. Been waiting all day to do this. I don't know how I've lasted so long. This is something else for me to do. Oh, you can't see that. It's got my name and address on it. The Metcalfe Country Station. Yeah, that's a nice little kit, isn't it? Look at that. So I can't wait for that. I know my wiring is coming to an end, so I need to get on with making the layout look like a layout. So that's that one. And a year ago today, no, a year ago on the 16th, my weld come to an end. So this year I bought myself a little present. A year ago, just over a year ago, my weld just come to an end, honestly. Look what I treated myself to. Let me get that. Woohoo! What do you reckon of that? It's a Terrier, Bembridge, number 14, Southern Region. Southern Region. Hang on, I'm just going to get it out. I'll do a proper unboxing and all that monkey business on it, maybe. This is meant to be about scratch building, but I've just got to show you this. Oh, that is tight. Wow. Oh, it's dinky. God, it's so small. Smaller than I thought it was. Look at the size of that. Jinty's massive compared with this. Oh, there's that piece. What have I got? It's almost like this is end gauge. Is it tubular? It's got to be, isn't it? This is tiny. It's just so small. It's tiny. It's so delicate as well. Wow. Oh, I've got to watch where I hold it. It's got all little brake rods. Wow. What do you reckon of that? I've got PVA on my... Oh, that's all the interior inside. Oh, man. I'm going to have to do a review on this. Oh, I'm frightened to touch it in case I break something. Where do you hold it? It's so small. Jinty must be up here somewhere. Oh, wow. I'm just taking my breath away. Just taking my breath away. Look at that. What do you reckon on that? I've never seen anything like it. It's just so wonderful. It's so small. Terribly small and delicate. We'll get her on the rails and give her a run tomorrow. Right, back to the scratch building. Well, what can I say but wow. I didn't want to do a boxing review or anything like that. Yeah, I just wanted to show the fine detail on this thing. Almost too fine for me with its tiny little lamp hooks and yeah, it's very fine. See if I can get in the cab. It almost looks real. You know, I've never had such detail on a locomotive before. My B17 is a road railroad range, so it's not the finest. Well, it's fine enough for me, but this is taking it to the next. It's almost like real. I'll turn her around. Can I have a look at the other side? I've have to learn how to pick it up. If you don't pick it up in the right place, you are going to bend and break things. There's a tiniest little brake rod. Oops, runs along here. If you get hold of it by the wheels, no, you've got to get hold of it just there. Anywhere else you're going to snap something off. It's loaded with detail. It really is. And it's so small. This must be scale now, or very close to it. Let me bring our friend up and see how it dwarfs this. Look at the size of that compared with the Jinty. Look at it. It's minute. It's never been run. So I'm going to send Jinty off. Go on, Jinty, off you go. You go and do a rat lap or two. Go on, away you go. That's a good girl. Right, I'm going to give her some beans for the very first time. It's going to be that way. And she's away. And it's quiet. Boy, is that quiet. That is quiet, very quiet. Almost silent. This is where the gradient starts. It's a 1 in 23 from here on, and she just does not care. It's on about a quarter throttle, if that. Look at that. Over points. Not a hiccup. I just don't believe her. What we got? 3, 6, 7, 8 and a brake van. Yeah, one. there we have it. The new member to the fleet. A little terrier. She's run in now. She's done about 40-50 times around the loft without a hitch. She's got 2 carriages and a parcels on the back, and she seems to be able to handle that quite nicely. So that's the end of this little video, COVID video. Off you go then, Bembridge, I think the name was. Off you go. Well, yeah, that is quiet. Okay, that's the end of this video. There she goes. Okay, Jinty. You've been the bit of a star this week, haven't you? Yeah. Well, go on, off you go then. Nice and gently. Look at that. I mean, what a gorgeous machine. Okay, I'm going to put this one up on YouTube and see you soon, folks. Take care. Goodbye. It's Al in the Loft. Bye. This is the information on the back. Maybe if I do this, if you want to read it, you can.